Does this dog bark or anything? Why does this dog sings christmoose? That does not look like a moose. It looks like a dog. It's a dog. This one's a dog. It's not a moose. Why does this dog sings "We wish you a Merry Christmas"? That is not a moose, guys. That's a dog. Maybe this dog has to dog talk or bark, or this dog can bark to the song. Hey guys. Hey guys. Do you know why this dog sings Christmas? That is not a moose. That's a dog. Why does people make this singing toy when it sings "We wish you Merry Christmas"? This dog's supposed to bark to the song. This dog does not even bark to the song. It sings Christmas. That's not a moose, guys. That's a dog. It sounds like dog talk, but it did not bark to the song. And this dog sings Christmas. Maybe this dog has to sing "We woof you a Merry Christmas." Yeah, this is not a moose, guys. That's a dog. It's supposed to sing "We woof you a Merry Christmas." Not "We wish you a Merry Christmas." "We woof you a Merry Christmas." That is what this dog is supposed to sing. I'm just letting you know, guys, about why does this dog sings Christmas. That is not a moose. That's a dog. It sounds like dog talk, but it did not bark to the song. This dog is supposed to bark to the song. So I'm just letting you know, guys, about why this dog sings Christmas. And that is not a moose. That's a dog. So goodbye, guys, and have a great weekend. And also have a great day too. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you later.